guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to solve day 25 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. So today we are going to solve problem number 145, binary tree post order traversal. Okay, so in this problem we have given the root of a binary tree. We have to return the post order traversal of all its nodes value. Okay, so before starting, first thing that we should know that what is post order traversal. Okay, so actually there are three types of traversals in the binary trees. So one is pre-order traversal, okay, one is in-order traversal, and one is post-order traversal. Okay, so in pre-order traversal you first visit the root, okay, and then you visit the left child, and then after that you visit the right child. Okay, so this is the traversal for pre-order. Okay, and in order traversal we first visit the left child, then we go to the root, and then after that we go to the right child. Okay, so this is for in order traversal. And for post-order traversal, okay, which we need in today's question, we first visit left child, then we go to the right child, and then after that we go to the root. Okay, so this is the traversal, okay, that we need to follow in today's question. Okay, post-order traversal. So now let's understand this with an example here. Okay, so left, right, and root. Okay, so here let me write left, then right, and then root. Okay, so here first this one is here. Okay, so go to this left, there is nothing. Okay, then after that go to the right of this one. Okay, then I reach at this position. Okay, then go to the left of this one. Okay, here there is no left and right. Okay, go to left of this one, go to right of this one, there is nothing, so just return the root. Okay, so here I am just going to add 3 first. Okay, I have added 3. Okay, now after that I need to go to the right of these 2. Okay, so I go here, there is nothing here, so I don't need to do anything. Okay, that's it. Then after that I have to return this root. Okay, so I have added 2 here. Then after that I need to add this one. Okay, 3 to 1. Okay, this is the process. Okay, so what is happening here? This is one right. So now first I go to the left. Okay, left is null, so I didn't do anything here. Okay, then I move to the right of this one, which is nothing but 2. Okay, now after that I see that again we have left and right for this right of 2. Okay, so I go to the left first. So in left I find that L3 is there. Okay, this 3 is there. Now I search for the left and right of this one. Both are null, right? So I'm just going to return L3. Okay, this value. Then after left we have to move to the right of this. Okay, so here this is null. Okay, so I don't need to do anything. Then after that we have to return root, so I have added this 2. Okay, after 3 I have added 2. Then we have already visited this L, we have got the value of this R. Now just return this root. That's it. Okay, so if my root is null, then simply return null. If there is only one value, then simply return that value. Okay, that's all. So now let's move to the coding part. Okay, so code is also going to be very simple here. So first thing that I'm going to do here, I'm going to create a list. So let's name it as public list of integer. Okay, and let's name my list as list. Okay, list. Now inside this I'm just going to initialize this list. So list is equal to new array list. Okay, and now after this I'm just going to call one helper method. Okay, in helper method I'm just going to pass my root, and I'm just going to pass my list. Okay, and from here simply I'm just going to return list. Okay, so now let's create this helper method. So here write public, let's name let's do the give the return type as void. Okay, void helper, and inside this just pass the root and just pass my list. Okay, this is done. And inside this one base condition that we need to check is if my root is equal to null, then simply return null, right? And how we traverse in the post order traversal, first go to left. Okay, so here I'm just going to do one thing here. I'm going to call one helper method, my helper method, and go to the left. Okay, root dot left, and here just normal list. Okay, so this is done. Then we go to the right. Okay, so helper of root dot right, and here I'm just going to pass the list. Okay, then after that once we visit our left and right, then we get to our root. Okay, so here I'm just going to add list dot add, and here I'm just going to add the value of my root dot val. Okay, that's it. So now let's run the code and see if there are any code issues. All the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? And the time complexity for this is going to be of n, since we are visiting all the nodes only one time, right, one by one. So that's it. So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. So we are doing this using a recursive approach. Okay, so if you guys need the solution in the iterative approach, then please write it in comment section. Okay, I will make one separate video for this one. Okay, so meet you guys in the next video. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Thank you. Bye bye.